we're going on a trip. We are in our Jeep. We are headed to, which we're not in the Jeep. We're up here covering it. There's a bug spot that we're covering on the top here so you guys don't see it. We are headed to
Nashville, Indiana, a.k.a. Little Nashville.
Little Nashville. And this is one of my favorite spots to go. We try to go here every year. And the shopping here is amazing. The drive up there, love it. We're going to go down, I would call this Main Street. So we're in Brown County.
I can't see what it said.
You said what it said. Here it is, right here. The Fudge Kitchen.
Yeah.
But headed down Main Street, and you could see all these.
There's a toy store inside an actual house.
All these stores are everywhere.
If you go fast enough, we'll see that.
And they don't have.
This is a lot like what you'd see in downtown Gatlinburg.
It's so loud, those motorcycles.
I may tune that down a little bit.
We had the doors off.
Motorcycles.
Yeah, it's that time of year.
And it goes on a little further down that way, and it comes up, and it's just blocks and blocks of stores everywhere.
Everywhere you look.
Inside of these, most of them look like old houses. Yeah, and this is not
Everything you can
typical.
imagine. Now, we didn't stop here. This was on our way to Hard
It's still
China.
early.
Chinese-made
We
stuff.
had drove through there in the morning just
So you can park for $5. That's a great deal.
Unless you can get free parking.
Unless you
Yeah.
can get free parking, that's right.
I don't know how early you'd have to be to do that. Looks like there's a spot left right there. There won't be when we get back.
oh gosh.
And there we went to the Hard Truth Distillery. We came back after that, so please watch the video.
A little busier than before.
I don't know if that was the old courthouse or I don't know what that was, or an old church. But we basically, you see this corner in front of,
And we rode that little trolley before it took you
And-
around.
I don't recommend that.
We're here.
It
We
was
made
not
it. So exciting.
not the best. It's
Finally.
basically picking people up. At
Drove
like
and
the
drove.
old
We
didn't have to
shuttle.
pay.
We
That's
didn't
the
have to
best part.
pay.
It took us a while to
Thumbs
find a
up.
place to park because this is a Saturday in the
All right,
fall.
we'll
It
take
is
you around this
crazy
place and
here.
show you some neat little
If
things.
you like walking through Gatlinburg, you would absolutely love this. Everything is just so much alike. It's great.
I think it's better,
The only thing you won't have with this
but
is
it
the
does
great
get
big
busy.
restaurants.
Yeah.
And today
I mean, there's plenty
is
of
a busy
places to
day.
eat here,
There's a
Either
great
today's the first day of fall or
but
tomorrow.
you won't have like
And that's when it gets really busy.
Yeah,
We
all the
have people playing
aquarium
music.
stuff like this. If you want to go shopping for real stuff,
It's on an accordion. I'm not exactly sure. I guess
It's like a menu
This is-
one.
I mean, that's a bathroom. If that tells you how nice this place is.
and there's two people playing music on either side of us.
So, I think I might.
Which
need
I
to do
didn't.
this. I don't have anything cool to keep my bacon grease, since you know I cook a lot of bacon.
I'll find you one on
And
Amazon.
It can just go in there
Cheaper.
and just sit on your countertop or in the fridge, freezer and microwave safe, and dishwasher safe.
And it's how much?
We should just pop it there
$19.
to support them. This is my favorite thing I got. Oh my gosh.
The coaster.
Yes. And that is olive wood. That is made of olive wood. And we went to the distillery, and that guy was talking about they make the barrels out of oak. And he was talking about making a barrel out of that olive wood. And he said it's a really rare wood. And then we come here and I find that, and I am just ecstatic. And that coaster, it's beautiful sitting there. I am so sick of this plastic junk, fake wood stuff. I'm so excited.
You paused this on chocolate.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's just cruel.
A candy dish.
It smelled so good.
But we had to pass. $1.59.
You know, I was really tempted to just get one for this bourbon truffle.
Wow.
The milk chocolate caramel.
Now this was amazing. This was a big, just like the store was in, this is on top of there. And this is,
They're
so
big on their
much
art. Lots of art.
And it's, if you want some real pieces of art, some handcrafted wood stuff,
And it's insane.
this is the place.
I mean, anything.
You don't see this stuff
This is just the same store
in Gatlinburg.
that I just bought a
I like
coaster
those
in.
pictures. That's Spring Mill down here in
And
the
it
snow.
ranges from paintings to photos. Look at that.
How many pictures
Oh,
of
look,
that do we
look
have?
at this place. Do you know where that's at? And then look at
I
this
don't know what
art.
movie that's in.
I don't think that is a movie. I just think it looks like one.
It's amazing.
The floors are really creaky in these old buildings.
Mm-hmm. And that's what makes it so good too.
Yeah, it's all this is in like old houses in here. It's so neat. Oh, cool. We love cutting boards. Oh, those are awesome. And those,
looks like a checkers
yeah,
board.
these are all
rolling pins.
handmade, I
Look at
bet.
those
And look
rolling
how
pins.
Local.
nice this stuff is.
Look at that.
Now that means something to us right now because we're on a diet. No sugar. This is her favorite spot. She loves this spot. It goes up these, I should have took a picture of these stairs, but I didn't. I mean, it goes up and around. They got a sock shop beside it. This is in the corner where we didn't go very far. Percy's Perk.
Yeah, this
This
coffee
was-
shop
Is he full
is named
now?
after this little dog, Percy.
years old, so
And he sits on the counter all day long.
6 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah, so I don't think
He's the perfect
This is the
size.
cutest thing ever. I just love it so much.
And it was such a good time just getting a cup of coffee here.
Yeah.
There's the cup. Look at this picture I got. Look, watch this.
He had the goggles on. It was so cute.
Now, I could have stayed here all day and beat this, but she
Best day of my
literally,
life.
Buy this?
she left me.
Oh, there's other games on it.
Yeah, there's all of them.
So these are for your Stanleys. It's the straw holder, cover.
Stanley.
Yeah, they had everything. Never seen so many.
Little puppy.
Wow. It's just so much stuff everywhere.
I guess he could have just got
We're here at Big Woods. This is,
Where Hard Street's got its start.
yes,
This was their first restaurant.
And they started making beer by a 5-gallon bucket here.
And then the rest is history.
yeah. And I've been here quite a few times. It's very,
2 stories.
yeah, it's very nice.
There's one of my favorite spots, the toy shop. It's got cigar shops in it, guns, all that stuff. I didn't even look on that side. There's a playhouse. They usually have stuff going on, but the toy chest. Massive amounts of toys in there, and that's behind the toy chest. And then that's across the street. We start walking back.
Now, there's all kinds of different side streets that have all these stores. We did not go down each one of them because it would take so long.
Yes, absolutely, forever. You would need to spend a whole day here to go through all these stores. And she actually bought one of those,
Except a smaller version.
a small version of it, like
And he
the
says
one.
boo.
Yeah. They just have so much stuff that's not junk. And just art everywhere. Now that's Frank. I assume he did a lot to this area. And that's the corner we was kind of in
Where
right
we had
here.
the picture taken.
Yeah, we took the picture there. To the right is where we got the coffee, Big Woods, and the toy shop. And here we're leaving.
Bye, Little Nashville.
And there's the toy chest to the right.
We went to some of you.
It's hard to go to everything in there.
Yeah,
There's so many streets. It's not just like one road, kind of like Gatlinburg is. It's all kinds of side streets.
and if you want something special,
I'm glad those people
like
stopped.
it's
I am
there.
too.
Yeah.
If you want something handmade, you want a piece of art,
Mm-hmm.
this is where you go.
Yeah.
You heard it there. This is where you go. And we are off to Brown County State Park. So please join us in the next video. We'll take you around there. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like us to make a long version and go back where we spend a whole day there, please tell us in the comments. Again, thank you very much for watching.
Give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Bye.
Catch you on the next review.
Awesome. I like that catch you on the next review.
Or you want to,
Yeah, I'm going to take a picture of that.
I guess we could, I didn't know why your thumbnail was